Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video on Review into Accessory. And today we got Rolma in the building. Now, we haven't had this guy on the channel in a while. As you can see, though, my man is still doing this thing, creating the best looking watch faces that you're going to be able to find in the Gear Manager store. You got to check out this guy's page. He has a lot to offer. With that being said, let's have a look at this watch face. Now, the name of it is called Black Ice 2. I thought my man did a really good job with this watch face. It has an analog theme to it as well as digital. In AOD mode, it had the same look, the same design, all the information. It's going to be able to be seen at a glance with no problem, which I thought that was a nice touch. Also, once the watch face is on, you're going to get 3 dials at the top. One is going to represent your battery info, your heart rate, and floors climb. You're also going to get your step information as well. You're also going to get your Timex date, and you come down to the bottom, you will get the date. You'll also get the day of the week as well as your digital time, which I thought was a good look. And this meter right here represents how fast you're going. So if you're out exercising, that's going to keep up with your speed. So I like how the analog theme of the watch face really brings everything out. You also get shortcuts with this watch face. So if you need to make a phone call, text messages, if you need to go into your settings, check your weather, things of that nature, all you got to do is just single tap and it'll take you right into it. So if you're on your run, you want to listen to your music, you can. If you want to go in and set an alarm, you can. Also, this watch face has a lot to offer. You can customize the color theme of the watch face. So if I want to change the look of the index, just double tap and I can change the color of the theme. I can do the same thing if I tap in the center of the watch face. Tap right here. I could change the color of the whole thing, which I thought was awesome. So you can mix and match your color or just set one color tone if you like. But I thought it was a good look by Rolma. I thought he got down. Again, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you again at the next video. Take care.